we divide 168 by 5 in long division method. So 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 8 and it is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 168 divided by 5 is 33.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.